Hello everyone, this is Alexey. This week I'm in Berlin at Intertechnology trade show. If by any chance you're here as well and want to meet, feel free to message me via LinkedIn. And now it's time to check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Odyssey Semiconductor Technologies announced it reached the stated goal of 1200 volt rating on vertical gallium nitride power field effect transistors. The company is now applying this validated technology to fabricate product samples in fourth quarter 2022 for internal and customer evaluations planned through first quarter of 2023. Vishay Intertechnology introduced 15 new 600 and 1200 volt Hyperfast and Ultrafast rectifiers and a compact SOT227 package. Offering the best conduction and switching loss trade-off for devices in their class, the Vishay Semiconductors rectifiers are designed to increase the efficiency of high-frequency converters and of soft-switched or resonant designs. Matched to operate with MOSFETs of high-speed IGBTs, the devices released are optimized for PFC and output rectification stages for electric vehicles and hybrid electric vehicles battery charging stations, booster stages for solar inverters, and UPS. Materials Department and Fraunhofer Institute for Integrated Systems and Device Technology has grown an aluminum nitride crystal with a diameter of 43 mm in technology-relevant quality. Aluminum nitride as a semiconductor offers an extreme breakdown field strength, a high material quality, a low amount of defects, and a very good thermal conductivity. Due to the special physical properties of aluminum nitride-based devices for power electronics can achieve a performance beyond that of silicon carbide and gallium nitride. SK Siltron is planning to form a joint venture with RFHIC and YesPower Techniques that will develop technologies related to silicon carbide and gallium nitride semiconductors. They plan awaiting approval from SK Corporation, the holding company of the SK Business Group. SK Siltron has been in talks with RFHIC to form a venture for a while now. SK Siltron will offer its wafers, while RFHIC is expected to offer its expertise in silicon carbide and gallium nitride, which are replacing silicon in certain chips as they are more durable and power efficient. EPC has opened a new design application center near Turin, Italy, to focus on growing motor drive applications based on gallium nitride technology in the mobility, robotics, drones, and industrial automation markets. The specialist team will support customers in accelerating their design cycles and define future integrated circuits for power management with state-of-the-art equipment to test applications from 400 Watt to tens of kilowatt. EPC engineers are helping customers to reduce their design cycle times and adopt gallium nitride for more efficient, smaller, low-cost systems. Moreover, the center is exploring ways to exploit the potential of EPC gallium nitride technology in motor drive applications to enable a substantial increase in the efficiency of the motor, leading to higher power density designs than what has been possible with historically MOSFET-based designs. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or get in touch with me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.